Hello and welcome guys to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So I just made a new update for the Amazomatic plugin, and starting from now it will be able to also add the date when the price was pulled from Amazon to your site. This is a requirement because Amazon requires you to display the date when you checked the price, and if you display the price of a product that you import from Amazon and advertise on your site, you must also check and display the date when you check the price. So the plugin can now do this. So let me show you an example. Let me import a test post. So let me import one laptop, and in the generated post content we can add a custom text next to the item get intro shortcode. This will generate an intro for the product, and it will also display its price. So we can display under it a new shortcode that was added, which is last update time. So if we use this new shortcode that was added to the plugin, we will display the date and time when the price was pulled from Amazon. So for this, let us add here. So this is the shortcode that generates the info of the product. These are two new lines in HTML, and here we can add something like this. The price was last updated on, and we should paste the shortcode which we copied from here, which will display the date and time of last update. And then we should add two new line breaks in HTML code to leave some space under this text, and save settings. And let's run importing, and the plugin imported the post. Let's refresh the page and check it. And now we will see how the plugin imported this content. So this is in HTML format, and this is how the post looks, and this is the get intro. So this is the intro that was pulled from Amazon. Here is the price, and this is it. The price was last updated on, and this is the time when the importing ran on the server on the with the plugin. So keep in mind, this is a requirement if you want to fulfill Amazon requirements. This will be added to the plugin by default starting from now. And yeah, you can use this format if you want to generate valid posts that will match Amazon's requirements to display also the date when you pull the price from Amazon. Okay, so this is all for now. I will link the plugin that I used, Amazomatic. I will link it in this video's description so you can check it. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit also the bell notification, because I publish a new video here each day at 8 p.m. GMT. So this is all for now. Stay safe, stay awesome, have a great day, bye bye.